She got a big booty, so I call her Big Booty. This is Les's 2019 SuperDuty. It is an F350. Les came in here last week on a Wednesday, which is the only day that Google says that I'm open because I am not open to the public and I can't put by appointment only on my Google page. So I just say that I'm open one day a week, and he just happened to pop in and be like, yo, I need some headlights for this beautiful truck because I just bought it from the dealership and it had these ugly, hideous monstrosities on it. And of course, the light output on these things is total poopies. So I hooked them up with a pair of Morimoto XBLEDs, the good ones, not the hybrids. And I'm just gonna show you real quick how they operate, because this is like the third set of these that I've installed. When the headlights are on, as you can see, it is a quad LED setup, so they are nice and bright. I have not aimed them yet, but I will just shortly once it gets a little bit darker. And they are a bi-LED high beam. So two of those bad boys will go up onto the high beam while the other two remain in low beam. They do have this fantastically bright DRL mode, which is tapped into a running light circuit. So anytime the key is in the ignition, these guys are on, and they do dim when the headlights come on. So they follow all of our favorite DOT standards. They come complete with an optional sequential turn signal. I say optional because it is not required to have it go sequential. You can have it just do a standard blink if you so desire. But why would you not have a cool turn signal if you spend all that money on some cool headlights, right? Check it out, guys. That is the headlight output. People always ask, how's the output? It's pretty much like a 35 watt HID system. It ain't fabulous, but it ain't terrible. I dig it. It's definitely worth the money. That's the high beam. That's the low beam. That's a real life action there, boy. Well, that's it, guys. It's a wham bam. Thank you, man. Les, I appreciate your support of a nice local tiny business such as myself. I do offer product sales and installation services, not just fabrication and creation services. So this was a nice change of pace that was welcome. For anyone local that has a SuperDuty, by all means, give me a ringy dingy and let me know if you want me to hook you up with either a custom build or if you're looking just for this sort of nice, typical Morimoto sweet setup, I can hook you up with that as well. This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. See you.